Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. Stuck it up in the dark, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming, just wait and see. It's a good, good. There ain't nothing like this right here. Got me seeing things crystal clear. So high, I can fight them all. It's gonna lift me up. There's a fire underneath my feet. Got me rolling like a river deep. Let it flow, cause I know that my soul's gonna lift me up. Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. Stuck it up in the dark, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming.
Hello Nathan! Happy first birthday! Wish ko sa'yo lumaki kang malusog at mabait na bata and many more birthdays to come and more travels para sa atin. I love you so much, baby!
Sobrang grateful no na dumating si Nathan sa amin and nakakatuwa, sarap may kalaro, may makulit sa loob ng bahay.
Super grateful and happy ako na dumating ka sa buhay namin dahil ikaw yung nagbigay sa akin ng reason para mag-continue sa buhay natin. And masaya-masaya kami na dumating ka sa akin.
Hello Nathan! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo, ayun, sana maging malusog at saka maging mabait, matalino, and later on, magiging isa ka na rin top seller na agent dito sa Urban Deck Homes Ortigas. So, ayun po yung wish ko and God bless to you, Nathan. Happy birthday, Nathan. We love you.
Hello Nathan Cabe, it's your tita. So happy first birthday. So wish ko lang sa'yo, sana maging mabuti kang bata sa paglaki mo. Always remember that tita is always supporting whatever you want.
Hi Nathan, happy first birthday. Wish ko sa'yo sana lumaki kang mabuting bata na filled with dreams, courteous at magalang. Nandito lang kami. Love, love!
My everything, my like no other. Yeah, I could stay here with you for forever.
Hi Nathan, ako ang iyong pinaka-poging ninong. Happy birthday to you and I wish na maging successful ka lang din tulad ng iyong mommy at daddy. Andito lang kami para suportahan ka kahit sa anong gusto mo, okay? So, susupport ka lang din namin and support lang din kita. If need mo anything from Ninong, andito lang ako, sabihan mo lang ako. Okay? Happy birthday, Doy!
alone in between. You and me will run until the end of time. I see forever when I look in your eyes. A love that is deeper than the blue in the sky.